Hi, what's happening, guys? It is May 30th, 2023. I'm out here in the shop, and this is a panel glue up of vertical grain Doug fir. We have 8 waterfall benches to make out of this stuff for locker room in Dallas. And I want to take a quick second to talk about this. We just did the center, glued up the center panel. We did this in sections, smaller sections, so we can run through the planer. This is the middle. So this is the full size of the panel. It's 8 feet long, and we're going to trim it down to 18 inches wide before we cut it and put the miter on it. But I wanted to talk about this real quick. This glue line right here, a lot of SqueezeOut here, and everybody's got different ways that they want to do this, and they talk about card scrapers, scraping it, let it sit for a while, scrape it off when it's like jelly, this kind of stuff. I don't like to wipe it off with wet rags, which is some of the other people like to do, because it lets the glue get down into the wood grains, and then it'll come through on your finish at the end. So, but this right here, this is the latest addition to the shop in our tool collection. This is the RO 150. This is a gear-driven high-speed sander, 6-inch pad on this. This thing's got a lot of power. And I just wanted to show you one of the biggest reasons we got this is because we've used all the other methods that we talk about as far as cleaning up these glue lines, but I thought I would just show you this really quick because we haven't found anything better than this. It's got an 80 grit pad on it, and it's kind of hard to hold on to it with one hand, but watch it. I just did a small section of this glue line right here. You can see it. And look how fast that just cleans that up. Now we're going to have to sand out the whole slab, but I just wanted to give you an idea how this 8 foot long panel is only going to take about 10 minutes to clean up on both sides. So just wanted to share that with you guys. It's the way we've been cleaning up the panels here for a little bit, and it's much faster than anything else we've done in the past. So I just thought I would share that with you. That's the Festool RO 150 FEQ. That's the gear-driven Rotex, and that son of a gun eats wood fast, and as you can see, it eats up a glue line pretty fast too. Have a great day.